Hello traders, today is Thursday the 26th of February and we finished our live trading session. Today we had two like usual, but today unfortunately we didn't open any positions, guys. We couldn't find the right moment to enter the trade. We had some opportunities, we talked about them in the morning, but I was unable to place the trade. So basically you could use those trades, you could use those plans, but I was unable to do that. I want to show you what we did today. So the first plan was on GBP USD. Guys, we were trying to get to the volume level and then look for some buy opportunity, but unfortunately price reversed right here and they went up. Okay, so basically the price went up before we reached the area. Another trade, this one here, Euro USD basic buy. We had a plan for the price to get to this zone and then look to get to the target. Let's have a look on the chart, Euro USD. So you can see we went down to the area we wanted and the price went up. So there was a chance to open the trade, but I couldn't use it. Target is still hanging there. So now it's too late to enter the trade, but there was a chance before. Okay, another plan. What we did today was on US dollar and Canadian dollar to get to imbalance zone and then reaction. That plan was good, but we had some news, so we couldn't open the trade and the market went opposite direction. So it's good. We didn't open the trade because of the news and the market did something different anyway. So that's okay. Next one right here, you got crude oil. We had two options. The first one to grab some liquidity and go up, and the other one to break through the big range from higher time frame and to go down. And this setup worked perfectly. Look at this, guys. We were talking about this range right here. We're talking about breakout, retest, and go down, and that's what exactly happened. Now the price is coming back. Okay. But in the morning, there was a chance to enter the trade after impulse and there was retest of support resistance zone. It was pretty good. Okay, what's next? Next one, this one here, US dollar, Canadian dollar. It's happening right now. So we still got a chance to enter the trade. You can see there was a retest of this area, but now this candle is not the best one. So here we're talking about this plan, but we didn't have nice bullish candle right here. We are missing nice candle. Okay, you can see those candles, but these are not nice. I know the US dollar index is looking pretty good because there is a chance they're gonna go up. Yes, here you can see the price was moving in some kind of channel. We got double bottom, so there is a chance we're gonna go the other side. So if dollar index gonna go up, probably we should have opportunity on US Canadian dollar to go up. At this moment you can see the price stopped, so it doesn't look too good at this moment, so no entry. Probably I will stay back for now. I don't want to place any trades. Tomorrow is another day, so hopefully tomorrow we're gonna make some profit. So for today, thank you guys. Thank you for being with me on live trading sessions, and tomorrow another one, 9 a.m. So see you tomorrow. Take care.